Lawn sprinklers are an essential tool for maintaining a healthy and lush lawn. There are many products available to choose lawn sprinklers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best lawn sprinklers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Eden 96213 Lawn and Garden Essential Oscillating Sprinkler. The Eden Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler is the perfect tool for keeping your lawn and gardens green and beautiful. With 16 precision nozzles, the sprinkler provides maximum coverage for large lawns or gardens. The sliding tab range controls make coverage adjustments simple, while the patented sealed turbo drive motor ensures smooth operation and a longer gear life. The weighted base helps stabilize the sprinkler, and the built-in cleaning tool allows for easy nozzle cleaning. Additionally, the included Quick Connect starter set makes it easy to connect and disconnect the sprinkler or other watering tools with ease. Number 2. Aqua Joe SJI OMS 16 Indestructible Metal Base Oscillating Sprinkler. The Aqua Joe Metal Base Oscillating Sprinkler is your perfect partner for watering your lawn with precision. With its 16 clog-resistant nozzles, you can customize the coverage patterns up to 3,600 square feet, ensuring that you can put water exactly where you want it without any wastage or overspray. Its leak-resistant connection provides peace of mind, and its extra-large, indestructible solid metal base ensures added stability and durability in your yard and garden. Moreover, the sprinkler features a sealed, turbo gear-driven motor that ensures reliable performance. It is also effortless to clean with a built-in cleanout tool. Finally, the sprinkler is compatible with a standard garden hose. Number 3. Joey's Sprinkler for Yard Rotating Garden Sprinkler. If you're looking for a sprinkler that stays put, Joey's Rotating Sprinkler for Yard is perfect for you. Made of super strong ABS plastic, this sprinkler features a weighted base that keeps it in place. Its 3 fully adjustable rotating arms allow you to customize your spray pattern to suit your area and distance, and its expandable feature allows you to connect multiple sprinklers to cover a larger area. It's easy to use and provides rain-like irrigation to your lawn. Plus, it comes in a ready-to-gift box. Number 4. Melnor 65131 AMZ Minimax Turbo Oscillator Sprinkler. The Melnor Mini Oscillator Sprinkler Bundle is a compact design that offers full-sized coverage up to 4,000 square feet. The 4-way adjustment feature allows for precision watering, and the flow-through base enables unit-to-unit connections for multiple sprinklers throughout the yard. The dirt-resistant drive ensures smooth operation and extended life, while the Melnor Lifetime Limited Warranty provides peace of mind. The Minimax Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler is perfect for watering large lawns, growing gardens, and newly seeded areas. It also has a unique zoom feature that controls the overall watering area, making it ideal for small flower beds or maximum coverage in the yard. Number 5. Orbit Half an Inch Heavy-Duty Zinc Impact Sprinkler. The Orbit Zinc Impact Sprinkler with adjustable tripod is the perfect solution for watering large lawn areas. Made of quality zinc materials, this durable sprinkler sprays up to 85 feet in diameter, covering 5,670 square feet when set to a full circle. Its adjustable coverage feature allows you to easily switch between a partial section and full 360 degrees watering, with a distance adjustment of up to 80 feet. Its customizable settings, including a deflector shield and diffuser screw, allow you to alter the stream and change the spray distance radius anywhere from 20 to 42 feet. The sprinkler also features an anti-backsplash arm to improve its ability to spray water in a consistent pattern and in the desired direction. Its tripod base can adjust from 16 to 37.5 inches in height, making it easy to use for anyone.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.